Hello, this is a video on how to play the card game Hazari. Hazari is a card game played mainly in Bangladesh and Bhutan. It's related to the card game Crash. And so in Hazari, players divide their hands of 13 cards into sets of 3, 3, 3, and 4, which are compared in a similar way to hands and other games such as Brag. However, unlike these other games, Hazari is played for points, each card having a point value. The winner of each comparison collects the played cards and scores their point value. Hazari means 1000, and the aim of the game is to accumulate a score of 1000 points or more. Hazari is a game for 4 players using a standard 52 card deck. The rank of the cards in each suit, from highest to lowest, is ace being the highest and 2 being the lowest, each other card in between. The aces, kings, queens, jacks, and tens are worth 10 points each, and the numeral cards from 2 to 9 are worth 5 points each. The total value of the cards in the deck is 360. Deal and play are counterclockwise. Other than that, this card game is very simple. And so the game of Hazari is based on comparing 3 card combinations. The types of combination from highest to lowest are Troy, Color Run, Color, Pair, and Indie. A higher type of combination always beats a lower type. For example, any color run beats any ordinary run. Between 2 combinations of the same type, the one with higher cards wins. Troy is also known as Trial. 3 cards of the same rank, higher cards beat lower cards, so the highest Troy is Ace, 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 and the lowest Troy is 2, 2, 2. A color run is 3 consecutive cards of the same suit. Ace can be used in a run of Ace, Queen, Ace, King, Queen, which is the highest, or Ace, 2, 3, which is the second highest. Below Ace, 2, 3 comes King, Queen, J, then Queen, J, 10, and so on down to 4, 3, 2, which is the lowest color run. And so, in terms of the runs, the sequence is how you'd see it, right? With Ace, King, Queen, then Ace, 2, 3, then King, Queen, J, then Queen, King, J. Queen, J, 10, sorry. And so basically, the ranking of the runs is how you would expect them to be, with the runs with higher ranking cards being higher ranked runs, with the exception being the run of Ace, 2, and 3, which is always the second highest ranked run behind Ace, King, Queen. So a color run is 3 consecutive cards of the same suit. A run is 3 cards of consecutive rank, not all the same suit. And then a color is 3 cards of the same suit that do not form a run. To decide which is the highest, compare the highest cards first. Then if these are equal, the second card, and if these are also equal, the lowest card. For example, Jack of Diamonds, 9 of Diamonds, 2 of Diamonds beats a Jack of Spades, 8 of Spades, 7 of Spades, because 9 is higher than 8. The highest color is Ace, King, Jack of a suit, and the lowest is 5, 2 of a suit. So in terms of a pair, 2 cards of equal rank with a card of a different rank. To decide which is highest, compare the pairs of equal cards first. If 2 players have pairs of the same rank, compare the third non-matching card. Then you have an indie, or individual. That's 3 cards that do not form any of the above types. They are not all the same suit, no 2 cards are equal in rank, and they are not consecutive. To compare 2 such combinations, compare the highest cards first, and if these are equal, the second card, and if these are also equal, the lowest card. Note, in a run or color run, Ace can be adjacent to 2 or King, but not both at the same time. For example, you cannot have 2 Ace King as a run. The dealer deals out all the cards to the players, and don't worry, we'll go through the game, through this combination, so you will understand them. I recommend having a quick guide nearby, that way you can really get a grip on these combinations and you can really understand them well. So, the dealer deals out all the cards to the players, so that each player has a hand of 13 cards. Each of the players then divides their cards into 4 separate groups of 3, 3, 3, and 4 cards. The groups are arranged in descending order according to the ranking of combinations explained above. In the 4-card set, only the best 3-card combination that can be made from those 4 cards is considered, and this must be the lowest of the 4 combinations in the hand. player who has finished arranging cards into groups announces this by saying up. After which, the division of cards into groups cannot be changed. When all four players have said ready or up, the play begins. So, note that you sort cards, right? And in your 4-card combination or your 4-card set, only your best 3-card combination that can be made is considered. And so only the best. And do note that in your 4-card set, you do want to sort it so that your lowest combination is in there. So let us sort. And so once we sort, we can see that these are our best combinations. So now we'd say ready. And what just happened? So the player to the right of the dealer places the highest of his or her groups of 3 cards face up on the table. Each of the other players in anti-clockwise order do the same. Whoever has played the highest group collects all 12 cards, stores them face down, and places their highest remaining 3-card group face up. The other players respond in turn by playing their highest remaining groups, and again the player of the highest group wins the cards and begins the next round of play. In the 4th and final round, each player will play 4 cards consisting of the weakest of their 3-card groups plus a spare card. The winner of this final round takes all 16 cards. So once again, Suresh took the cards and scored for them. So once again, next. And so now I scored 115 there. And so note that if 2 players play equally high groups, the last of these groups beats the others. For example, suppose the 4 groups are played in the following order: Ace, Queen, 9 of hearts, and then a 7, 6, 5 of spades. And then you have a 7 of clubs, a 6 of spades, and a 5 of spades. And then you have a 7 of diamonds, a 6 of clubs, and a 5 of hearts. They are both considered runs, but the most recent run, 7 of diamonds, the 6 of clubs, and the 5 of spades, wins the round. If you have 2 groups that are equally high, the player who played the most recent one wins that hand. So when it's scoring, each player counts up the value of the cards they have collected. The grand total for all 4 players in any round will be 360 points. If no one has reached 1,000, the cards are shuffled and redealt by the next dealer, and the game continues. The game ends when 1 or more players have a score of 1,000 points or more. The player with the highest total then wins. So as you can see, 1,000 is quite simple to play. What we'll do is we'll go through just a quick demo round here, and we'll also talk about some of the card combinations. So our highest rank, we don't have any Troys. Do we have a color run? That's 3 consecutive cards of the same suit? No, we don't. So then do we have a run? 3 cards of consecutive rank, not all of the same suit? We don't. We do not. And so we cannot score for a run either. So that's quite unfortunate. Actually, no, we do have a run. We have our Queen, Jack, 10. So, when we're going to play, and so as you can see, we played out that round. We'll play out another round here, this time talking about what we should do. And so I do apologize for that last quick round there, but for these subsequent rounds, we will do a good job of making sure we talk about what's happening. And so Here we have an ace, king, queen. That's a run, right? We also have do we have a color here? Well, that would be three cards of the same suit, and no, we don't. So that's not possible. Right now, all we have is a run. We also have a pair. That's two cards of equal rank with a card of a different rank. So we have 7, 7, 8, 9, 9, Jack, 3, 3, 5. And so right now we do have pair. So we have one run, and then we have three pairs. So what we'll do is we'll play. Remember, you play your highest ranking um, group first, right? You continue playing your highest ranking group every time. Since a run is ranked higher than a pair, our run was played first there. Now we're going to play our next highest ranking card group. In this case, that would be our run, or sorry, our pair with the highest ranking, I guess, pair. And so our highest ranking pair is the one with nines, because nines are higher than sevens and threes, so we're going to play that first. Next, we're going to play our pair with sevens, because that's highest ranking here. And finally, we're going to play our pair with threes, because that is our highest ranking group left. Once again, the score in any round should be 360 when adding up the score of the four players. So, Vikash here gained a big score there. Now, for some reason the score has reset here, and that depends because certain variations play with different point totals, and so that could be the case here. Hazari means 1000, and so typically players play till 1000, but here this software could be using a different predetermined amount, such as 400 or 500. And that's totally up to you. You do not have to play till 1000. It is only it's the most natural thing to do, because that's why the game is called Hazari. Nonetheless, everything else is playing out as we had hoped, and we will continue to talk about the rules and how the play is happening based on what's happening here. Right, the objective is to just divide it into your sets and play your highest ranking set. The player who wins the trick takes all the cards and scores for them. The winner is the player who reaches 1000 first. It's that simple. So let us sort our cards here. We have a pair. So we could actually we're actually going to sort them so that we have three queens here. Okay, why? Three queens are a Troy, or three cards of the same rank, right? So that's very beneficial. We're going to make another Troy here. And so I was letting auto sort for me last time, but here we will make an effort to sort. Troy, then if we can get three consecutive cards of the same suit. That doesn't seem like it'll be the case here, but that's okay. What else can we do here? Nothing really. We can also make a run. That's three cards of consecutive rank. But other than that, no, I think we're ready. So what's going to happen is we're going to play our highest ranking Troy. That's going to be our three cards here. Hopefully we can use that to win. Next, we're going to play our next highest ranking Troy. That's our three Jacks, right? Because Troys are ranked the highest. Now, after a Troy comes a color run, and a color. We don't have any of those. We simply have a pair. So we're going to play our highest ranking pair. Now, we're going to play our remaining pair. All the players scored. Once again, let us sort. We have a Troy. So can we make any Troys here? Well, we have one Troy. Can we make any more? Nope, we cannot. Can we make a color run? That's 3 consecutive cards of the same suit. Um, Not that I know of. Does not seem like we can make a color run, as it does not seem like we have 3 consecutive cards of the same suit. And so a color run is also off the table here. Can we make a run? That would be 3 cards of the consecutive rank, not all of the same suit. We can make a 3, 4, 5, or a 4, 5, 6, sorry, as well as a 3, 4, 5. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a 3, 4, 5 here. That is more beneficial for me. So 3, 4, 5 there. Actually, a 4, 5, 6 would be much more beneficial. Oh no, that's completely messed up my sorting. Not too bad. 4, 5, 6. Right. A 4, 5, 6. And then we have. You can also get a color. That's 3 cards of the same suit that do not form a run. So can we do 3 cards of the same suit that do not form a run? Not really. And then lastly, can we make a pair? We can make a pair here. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and do that. Even though this last card won't really count, in theory we could have had a pair there. And as well, we always have our Andes. So we're going to play our Troy first. And we're going to play our run. And then we're going to play our pair, our highest ranking pair. And we're going to play our remaining cards. And so as you can see, that's pretty much how you play Hazari. It's quite a simple game. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching. Take care.